Hi everyone, we have new bends. Actually, a new bend. Here it is. It's a little bit different though. The eyebrows and the white on the eyes. Let me know which one you like best. Alright, so I got this one from eBay actually. I don't remember how much it was, maybe $13 or something like that. They should make the trackmaster too, bill and bend. That would be nice to see. So here you have it. You can request again bend. It should be much stronger than the old one. Let's see how it goes. Let me do a quick battle here between the two. Alright? Oh man, and that's old bend. Old bend is stronger than the new one that I got. Alright, that was the first battle. But we still have to see. It seems to be that I fixed the old bend pretty well, I would say. He's very strong. Alright guys, I just wanted to make a quick video giving you this update that we have another bend. Take care guys, bye.